Hi, this is Brian again over at McLaughlin Motors. So I just thought I'd show you a close-up on this front bumper. I went all over it looking for any signs of like repaint or damage, and you can tell there's no color change difference between like the bumper and the hood or anything. Nothing on here looks like a respray, and I didn't see any marks on the top part of the bumper or even on the grill. Now, of course, those minor accidents, it could have been that the grill got a hole poked in it or something like that, and they just replaced that. But all of the bumper looked good. But then I got under the car, and I don't know if I'll be able to catch it on camera, but right down there on the bottom underside, there is some scratches, and you can feel them, and it looks like maybe it hit a parking curb or something like that. So my guess is that's what the report was about. And then on the back, they took care of that trunk lid like we were talking about, so it looks about 1,000 times better. And then down below, they did some buffing on this. You can still see water spots and stuff, but I think almost all of the scratches and everything came out. There was just one, I think it's that one right there, and it's going down to the body shop to be sanded on, and those guys told me they thought that was going to come out about 90%. There is also a small chip right there. It's hard to see on camera. It's hard to get my camera to focus. And those were the only flaws that I found. I had the dent guy go over the car too, looking for dents, and he didn't see anything either. Hope this helps out. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need anything. Oh, looks like, well, you can see that in the sunlight. Couldn't see it inside, but there's some scratches there on the hood that I'll have them buff as well, or the roof. And then I think I showed all inside before, but inside, like I said, non-smoker's car, pretty clean, no rips or tears in the seats or anything like that. Thanks again. Have a great rest of your day and drive safe.